Today, we're exploring one of the most picturesque and vibrant spots you can find, Chail Chowk. This is a place where tradition meets beauty, offering a unique glimpse into the culture and charm of the area. As you stroll through, you'll be greeted by the stunning blend of natural beauty. And let's not forget the breathtaking view of the surrounding hills that add an incredible backdrop to this picturesque location. From historical landmarks to serene spots where you can simply unwind, this place is truly a hidden gem. Whether you're a history buff or just looking to experience the essence of local life, this place has it all.